everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Daisy. I'm Daisy, and I'm so happy to see you here again.
Hey guys, I'm Jonathan. It's great to have you with us today.
Today's episode is super fun, and we're going to practice simple daily conversations.
Exactly. We'll talk about things like greetings, small talk, and everyday situation.
And don't worry, Press Out. We'll speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning English the easy way.
Let's go.
Okay, we need to clean this juice.
I'll help.
You help clean?
I can clean
Since when?
since now.
Okay, let's see.
See, I'm doing it.
You are. Good job.
I'm getting better at this.
You are. Keep practicing.
Maybe I'll get a promotion.
A promotion? To what?
Assistant dishwasher.
Assistant?
Yes, you're the head dishwasher. I'm the assistant.
Okay, fine. You're hired.
Salute. Thank you, boss.
You're so silly.
Only with you.
Okay, all done.
Finally.
You should go to bed. You're exhausted.
What about you?
I'll clean up a little more.
Anna, leave it. Come to bed.
But
No buts. Come on. It can wait.
okay.
Let's go.
Michael,
Yeah?
thank you for tonight,
For what? I didn't do anything.
for being here, for talking, for just being you.
Anna, I should thank you.
For what?
For waiting up. For always being here. For loving me even when I'm late.
I'll always wait for you.
I don't deserve you.
You're right. You don't.
Hey!
I'm kidding. You deserve everything.
So do you.
Okay, I'm really tired now.
Let's go to bed before you fall asleep standing up.
Good idea.
You know what?
What?
I love our late night kitchen talks.
Me too.
Let's do this more often.
You mean come home late more often?
No, I mean, let's make time, even if it's late.
I'd like that.
Then it's a promise.
A promise?
Yes, late night kitchen, just us. Every week.
Deal.
Deal. And
We're shaking hands now.
it's official.
You're so weird.
And you love it.
I do. Good night, kitchen.
Good night, kitchen.
See you tomorrow.
With more late night talks.
Maybe not too late.
Deal.
You did it. You listened to the whole story. If you shadowed or retold even one chapter, that's amazing. Now, I want to ask you, which phrase touched your heart? Was it, you make it all worth it? Or, that's enough light for me? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know. Remember, every small step you take builds your confidence. You can listen again tomorrow, shadow again, and tell it in your own words. The more you speak, the more natural you'll sound. So keep going. One story, one night, one voice at a time. See you in the next story. Good night.
I'm home.
Oh, you're back. Finally.
Yeah, sorry. Traffic was crazy.
Traffic or work?
Both.
You look exhausted.
I am. What a day.
Long day, huh?
Long day. Yeah, very long.
You say that a lot these days.
I know.
Long day, huh? I hear it every night.
Do I really say it that much?
Yes, every single night.
Okay. I'll try to find new words.
It's fine. I am just teasing you.
So, you're still up?
Of course I'm still up. I'm waiting for you.
You're still up? Anna, it's almost midnight.
I know what time it is.
You should sleep.
I can't sleep when you're not home yet.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm heating up dinner for you.
You didn't have to.
Of course I did. You need to eat.
Thank you.
Go wash your hands. Dinner will be ready soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Now I sound old.
You'll always be 25 to me.
Liar. Okay, sit down. Here's your dinner.
Wow, this looks good.
Just leftovers.
Leftovers? This looks like a restaurant meal.
I'm a 5-star home chef.
5 stars. That's a lot of stars.
I deserve it.
You're right. 5 stars. Maybe 6.
There's no 6 stars.
For you, there is.
Eat more. You're too skinny.
I'm not skinny.
You are. You work too much, eat too little.
This chicken is really good. Where did you buy it?
The market, near our house.
Must be expensive.
Actually, it was on sale.
On sale?
Yes, 50% off.
Really? So I'm eating discount chicken?
Discount chicken tastes the same as expensive chicken.
I can't believe it. I thought I was eating fancy food.
You are eating fancy food. Fancy discount food.
You're so smart with money.
Someone has to be.
How were the kids today?
Jack was Jack.
What did he do this time?
He tried to wash his backpack in the washing machine.
What?
Yes, he put soap, a lot of soap, and the whole kitchen was full of bubbles.
Oh no.
Oh, yes, bubbles everywhere. On the floor, on the walls, on me.
That sounds like Jack.
I told him, Jack, backpacks don't go in washing machines.
And what did he say?
He said, but Mom, it was dirty.
I love that kid.
You love them because you don't clean the bubbles.
True.
And Emma?
What about Emma?
She's nervous about her speech next week.
Oh, the school speech?
Yes, she has to speak in front of the whole class.
She'll do great. She's smart.
I know, but she's scared.
We should help her practice.
We will, this weekend.
Okay, this weekend.
Great. Mm-hmm.
Anna,
Hmm.
thank you
For what?
for this, for waiting up, for everything.
I don't have to thank you.
I do, because I know I'm not home enough.
You're here now. That's what matters.
Yeah.
Can you believe it's been 15 years
15 years?
since we got married?
Wait, 15 years already?
Yes, next month.
Time is crazy.
I know. Can you believe it's been 15 years? I ask myself that all the time.
Can you believe it? Really?
Sometimes, no. It feels like yesterday.
Yesterday we were young and stupid,
We're still stupid.
but not young anymore.
Speak for yourself. I'm still 25, remember?
Right. I forgot.
Do you remember how we met?
Of course I remember. The bus stop.
The rainy bus stop?
It was pouring. So much rain.
And you didn't have an umbrella.
I didn't. I was completely soaked.
You looked like a wet dog.
Hey, I was not that bad.
You were. Your hair was dripping. Your jacket was soaked.
Okay. Maybe I was a little wet.
A little. You were drowning.
And you shared your umbrella with me.
I felt sorry for you.
Just sorry, not attracted.
Maybe a little attracted. A tiny bit.
A tiny bit?
Okay. More than a tiny bit.
I knew it.
And then we got on the bus together.
Yes, and we sat next to each other.
You talked the whole ride.
I did not.
You did. You told me about your job, your family, your dog.
I was nervous.
You were cute in a nervous way.
And you just listened.
I liked listening to you.
You still do.
I still do.
Remember our first date?
Oh, no.
What? It was good.
You took me to that terrible restaurant.
It wasn't terrible.
Michael, the waiter spilled water on you.
Okay, that was bad.
And the food was cold.
Okay. It was a disaster.
But you know what?
What?
I didn't care.
No?
No. Because I was with you.
Really?
Really. The restaurant didn't matter. The cold food didn't matter. You mattered.
Anna.
And now look at us. 15 years later. 2 kids, a house, a life.
A good life.
A very good life.
Even with my long days,
Even with your long days.
you make it all worth it.
What?
You make it all worth it. The work, the stress, the traffic, you make it worth it.
You make it all worth it. That's sweet.
I mean it.
I know you do.
You and the kids, you're everything.
Stop. You'll make me cry.
Don't cry. We're having a nice moment.
Okay. I'm not crying.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Good. Because I can't handle emotional Anna.
You handle me just fine. No,
What happened?
the lights.
Did the power go out?
I think so.
Wait, let me find my phone.
What was that?
I... mm, I knocked over the orange juice.
Michael!
I'm sorry. I can't see anything.
It's everywhere.
I know. Where's my phone?
Check your pocket.
I am checking. Oh, found it. Okay, we have light.
Look at this juice. It's all over the table.
It's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world?
Yeah, just some juice. We can clean it.
You're right. It's not the end of the world.
See? I'm learning to relax.
After 10 years, you're finally learning?
Better late than never.
Come here, let me help you.
This is kind of nice, actually.
Nice? We have no power.
I know, but it's quiet. Just us.
Just us.
Look,
What?
the fridge. Look at the drawings.
Oh, Jack's drawing.
The one he drew last week?
Our family. Oh, he drew all 4 of us.
Look how big he drew himself.
And look how small he drew you.
Hey, why am I so small?
Because you're never home.
Ouch.
I'm kidding.
But it's true. I'm not home enough.
Michael.
I miss so much. Jack's drawings, Emma's speeches, dinner with you.
But you're here now.
Not enough.
You're here now. That's what matters.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
They're growing up so fast.
I know.
Soon, they won't need us anymore.
They'll always need us. Just differently.
I don't want to miss it.
You won't. We won't.
How do you know?
Because we're a family. We stick together.
Even in the dark?
Especially in the dark.
Hi, Anna.
Yes?
Even if everything goes dark, we've got them. And we've got us.
Michael.
I mean it. You and the kids, that's my light.
You're making me cry again.
Good tears?
Good tears.
Then I'll keep talking.
No! Stop. I'll cry too much.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
That's enough light for me.
What do you mean?
You, the kids, this life. That's enough light for me. I don't need fancy things. I don't need a big house. I just need this.
Me too.
Oh, the power.
It's back.
It's so bright.
We survived.
We survived the great blackout.
All 5 minutes of it.
The most dramatic 5 minutes.
But you know what?
What?
I kind of liked it.
The blackout?
Yeah, just us, talking in the dark.
Me too.